Well, we were coming out here to wrap our plates. But now I don't know if we'll need to or not. Or maybe we'll get a little done. Maybe it'll pass us. I don't know. It actually looks like it's heading right for us. I like a good thunderstorm though. What about y'all? Do y'all like a good thunderstorm? Do you like a good rain? I do. When it gets hot and dry like it has been the last few weeks, it gets miserable. It gets hot at work. And it gets humid. The ground gets dry. You can't go metal detecting. And you can't ride motorcycles if you got one on the road. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna try to get some wrapping done. It's like Christmas presents. You know you need to do it, but you don't want to put it off, but you don't want to do it either. You gotta wait till Christmas to get the present. Oh, wow. Let's see here. I gotta get that brush right there cut back so I can see the mountain better. Look how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look how majestic that horse is. I wonder where the other one's at. That rain's coming in over top of it. You see it?
Yeah.
You can see the rain. You'll see it start coming a bit holler in a minute.
I don't remember everything feeling and looking so overgrown when you look towards Draper's Mountain.
It's gotten worse. That's what I was telling you the other day. And the risk of forest fires is going to get terrible and small.
You can almost start feeling it.
That's cooling down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to shut the middle door. Look at that one.
Now you can hear it.
What?
Now you can start hearing it. Look at the clouds. They're starting to blow this way.
That means the storm is starting. It's rotating.
Now look at the mountain.
Yeah. This is start coming up at hour.
Grab my phone. It's on the...
Right now it's just crossing the river. Had that bottle only had water in it?
Yeah. I just went ahead and got you a new one. That other one with soap in it was crusty.
Wow, the plates look real good. Okay.
They sure do. sucked in
I
that.
wonder where that other horse is. There ain't but one over there.
I think they took it back across the road.
This is gonna go ahead right above us.
Oh.
Yeah. Somewhere blowing them up.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I can't even see that about.
Oh, wow. You can't see anything now. All the leaves are turning over now.
You wanna get on the porch or under the canopy?
Yeah, we might should get under the porch.
Which one?
Maybe
The what?
the back one. Oh, Lord, here it comes.
That one?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Get your bag. Ooh, that's creepy. It feels like it's turning. Here it comes. I'm gone.
That's a big difference from what it was a few minutes ago. We got a little bit of a storm, but it wasn't too bad. It's like rainbow. It was a really good rainbow. Earlier, double. Yeah, there you go. Are you ready to wrap some pipes? The ceramic paint turned out really good.
Oh, man, yeah.
So, let me give her the camera. The ceramic paint turned out really good. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it today. We're going to start from the back and go to the front. And we'll start at about where our clamps are. I don't want to go beyond that because I'm going to be able to get the clamp around it real good. So we'll start pretty close to right in front of the clamp and then work our way forward. I'll probably do the short one to start out and then let my wife do the other one. But anyway, this is the short roll. 15 foot. This is either 25 or 30. Oh, it's 25.
25, yeah.
And I'm not going to put my metal bands on to start with. I want to get zip ties to start out with. I've got to go find some gloves.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Where they at?
We have blue gloves.
I think I got mechanic's gloves in there. Where that clamp's at. The best I can.
You're going to mark where the clamp is?
I think it's right there. We'll wrap him there up. That's why I was the clamp on it. What's that? Now, they say to wear gloves because you're dealing with some fiberglass and it could irritate the skin. I'll be honest with you. I worked in fiberglass. I can't imagine that's worse than what I worked in.
True. You work in fiberglass compound and shaving it off and
Yeah.
shaving it down, dust.
So all they come is gloves.
Oh, nice.
I didn't know that.
Well, I'm sure yours fit better.
I don't know if I can clean this up or not.
Yeah. You want me to go get those other scissors? Yes. Let me go get them.
Yeah, that's done.
Oh.
Alright, man. Grab his good top, please.
Okay. And you got your water. And come on this side.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
I can tell you what I learned. Don't buy this and take these cycles. Because Oreily sells it by the roll. They've got 25-foot rolls and 50-foot rolls. $35 and $55 with the metal clamp. JB Cycles didn't come with that. And they had white, black, gray, and like a cream color. I went with black because I just thought it looked good. So, but I think all in all it turned out good. Honestly, I can tell you, you need 2 people to do that. 100% for sure. Just to help you hold the wrap while you're wrapping. I do know that.
That didn't take a long time for us together.
No, it took about 30 minutes. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't mind doing that for people. There's nobody around here doing it. So I would love to for some people to have up their pipes wrapped to just give us a shout out and let us wrap the pipes.
Yeah. For real.
I don't think we got that one wet enough. I hope it stays tight.
I think it will. I think it'll be alright.
But, so, only thing left is put these on, which I guess we could do. That one part. I had to buy some more for the others, but.
Well, you can put 2 on each one.
And then get them back on the bike. But that's gonna do it for today. We'll wrap this video up. You wanna say something?
No, you gotta order gaskets, is all I was gonna say.
Yeah, I gotta order some gaskets. I already ordered them.
Gotcha.
I think I got them last night.
Oh, yeah.
No, I didn't. Anyway, I gotta get exhaust gaskets. But here in a couple days, we'll close it out. Alright, till tomorrow.